Today we're going to some of the most basic IKEA finds, and I'm showing you how you can easily hack them and turn them into pieces that actually look high-end and just so good. These tiny IKEA products are cheap, easy to find, and with one simple hack, they will look way better. No power tools, no complicated DIYs, and no stress. But first, if you're new here, I'm Man, and these are my two whippets, Mars and Zara, and we love all things IKEA DIY and interior design. So before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel, ring the notification bell, and hit that like button to never miss another video again. Now let's go! The first IKEA hack I have for you is one featuring the gorgeous KÄLLARHALS Vase. And although this one looks so good as a vase, did you know that people are actually turning it into a table lamp? Yup. And this hack works for both the orange one and the yellow one, but I'm vibing with this orange one more for sure. You just need a lamp base, you can get that one from IKEA too, and just pop the vase on top on the base and ta-da! I'm really into cool orange lamps that look so retro, and this one is just such a gem. I love it so much. Now, speaking of lamps, another IKEA lamp people have been actually hacking a lot is the famous FADO lamp. Yeah, the one right over here. And the best thing is that you actually don't need to build a base or anything like that. You can just buy a plant pot you like and just pop the FADO on top of it. Although I have to say, one of my favorite hacks is actually this one where you pop it on a spiral and make the cutest little funky lamp. But there are so many options I've seen all over Pinterest and they all look so good. And since I have the FADO lamp, I just can't wait to try out different ideas to hack it. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, since if I do it, I'll post it over there. Another IKEA hack I just can't wait to do myself is actually the viral mirror cube side table people have been doing using the tiny luck table and the BLODLÖNN mirrors. I mean, this one is just super low effort, yet looks so good. You just pop the mirrors onto the table, you just glue them on with an adhesive and get this gorgeous table you can use as a side table or for displaying decor. Now, speaking of viral IKEA hacks, I also have to mention the hack everyone has been doing with the Bestå unit, and that is covering it with metal foil so it looks like those gorgeous stainless steel units that look so good. And if you have the Bestå unit and you are into this aesthetic, I encourage you to try it out, since it's really simple and you can undo it in the future, which is also such a plus. You can order these self-adhesive covers on Amazon and you'll get a brand new unit that looks like it's from a high-end furniture store, not IKEA. And if you're into that stainless steel chrome aesthetic that looks just so good, but want something way cheaper, this one's for you, the HYLLIS Shelf unit. I mean, people have been using this shelf unit in their homes to add on to this aesthetic, and I'm all for it since it looks so good. IKEA made this shelf for the garage or outdoors, however, people hacked it into their homes and it just works perfectly. For just $20, you have this gorgeous shelf that's great for both storing and displaying decor. And honestly, it looks so good. I'm just looking for an empty corner to add this one. Now, another IKEA find I absolutely love is the one I actually did with the EKET Cabinet. I don't know if you remember it. I got these cubes/shelves from IKEA that cost around $20 and I turned them into storage on wheels. It's super easy to do it. You can actually do it just by adding wheels on it that you can also get from IKEA or elsewhere. I've done this hack myself and I have been using it for storing Marcy's and Zara toys, and I have another one for storing Leto's books, and it's just amazing what you can do with it. Plus, EKET comes in so many different colors and wood shades, so the options here are endless. Now, another hack using the EKET cabinets is actually using these as a base for a table. I've seen people topping it with a piece of wood or with the tabletop from the log table, and you suddenly have such a beautiful table that's so unique. I've also seen people topping it with a piece of glass and making a glass table that looks so good and just so high-end. And again, an example for one IKEA find and so many options. Another IKEA hack I personally have done in my home is actually making a bookshelf out of the $5 IKEA bamboo plate holder. This one is so low effort. You can just pop it on the wall with a wall adhesive or even with command strips for a renter-friendly solution, and you suddenly have this gorgeous floating bookshelf. Although I have to note this one works for smaller and thinner books, but it just looks so good. Stash a few one on top of the other and you'll make an accent you'll love for your home. And speaking of shelves, another IKEA shelf people have been hacking over and over again is the MOSSLANDA shelf. And my favorite one is that people turn it upside down and add it in their kitchen to make this gorgeous floating shelf look wall to wall. And if you go that extra step and just add an LED strip underneath, it will look so good. Loving it and can't wait to do it somewhere in my home. And the last IKEA hack I have for you today is one with the famous IKEA frames. Did you know that you can actually turn these frames into a magazine shelf? With a little bit of twists and turns, you actually get this beautiful wall magazine holder that's not only practical but also looks so high-end and so aesthetic. It's such a great way of using these IKEA frames to make an accent on your wall while displaying your favorite photos or magazines. And that's a wrap for today. Did you like these IKEA hacks I packed for you today? I really hope that I gave you some inspo and some motivation to maybe hack some IKEA products you have in your home already. I mean, sometimes we don't need to buy anything new, we just need a little upgrade to make things look way better. I'm definitely doing the FADO lamp. I'm already thinking of where can I add the HYLLIS wall shelf. So if you do anything, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching and for sticking with me to the very end. Don't forget to hit that like button if you like this video and also turn on that notification bell, allowing all notifications to never miss another video from me again. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you designers next week. Bye! Now let's go to Marcy boy. Hi Mars. Guys, I just removed the thing around his neck he was wearing after the surgery, and he have been recovering so well. It's been a rough few days after the surgery, but he's been the happiest self, right Mars? I love you, Mars. I love you, buddy. And also Zara. I mean, look at her. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. Oh, Zara. You both are the best boss. Also, guys, thank you so much for everyone who sent their love in the comment section on last video. We love you. We love you. Bye bye.